All right, so I got some exciting news for all of you who were trying to get your hands on the new Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold. I mean, because if you remember back on January 30th when it was originally launched, I mean, that thing sold out almost immediately. I couldn't even get my hands on one myself. Well, it is official. Samsung is officially restocking this device, and it will be available again to order this Friday, February 20th at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I do recommend going to the site just a bit early. That way you can make sure to order as soon as it's available. Do not wait until after that time because it might be expected to sell out super quick again. So I recommend showing up. I will have a link in the description of this video and the pinned comment. And if you happen to be watching this video day of, or maybe even just a little bit before it's about to go on sale, just go down there and hit the link now. It'll take you straight to the page where you can go and order the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold. I know when I had some hands-on time with this device back at CES, I mean, it was a great experience. Love that big, beautiful inside display. I mean, it is a true tablet-like experience because you're not just getting that squarish, boxy shape like the Galaxy Z Fold 7. No, this is actually a long rectangular shape like an actual tablet, or kind of like a little TV in your hand. So it makes watching content great. It makes playing games great. And just overall using that inside display, it's just a whole new experience when it comes to a smartphone that actually folds out or unfolds into a tablet. And then the front of the device itself, when it is folded up, it's basically just like a Galaxy Z Fold 7. Of course, the phone itself is going to be a little bit thicker, but I gotta say, for a folding device, it was actually a really nice experience. And I'm really hoping to actually get one in my possession so I can be able to cover it more here on the channel. But what do y'all think? Who was excited for this device? Who tried getting it the first time and were not able to get your hands on it? And who is going to try and get it again this time? Like I said, you don't want to miss out. Make sure to be there early on the website so you can take advantage of trying to get your hands on the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold. Don't risk showing up late and then it ends up selling out immediately again. Now, just in case you are a little bit more curious about the device itself, just when it comes to the overall specs of it, when it comes to that front outside display, when the phone is folded up, it is a 6.5-inch display, but of course it opens up to that massive 10-inch tablet-like experience. It is an AMOLED display and offers 120 Hertz refresh rate, getting that nice smooth experience, not only with the outside, but the inside display as well. And this is going to be great for gaming. And with that inside display, we're getting 1600 nits of peak brightness, but the 6.5-inch cover screen is even brighter, reaching up to 2600 nits of brightness, making it super easy to use out in bright direct sunlight. Now, of course, this device is powered by Snapdragon. It is coming with 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage. It's got a 200 megapixel main sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. And I did kind of test out the cameras a little bit while they're testing out the device, and I can say the cameras look like they are actually going to be pretty good cameras when it comes to taking photos. Of course, I didn't really get to test out video, but they do look like promising cameras, even though they are not Samsung's best cameras, that they have put in a smartphone. Now, one great thing about the Trifold is that it actually comes with a 5600 milliamp battery. So it's nice that we're getting a bit of a bigger battery than what we have with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, because of course we are going to need, a bigger battery to power that bigger inside display, because I'm sure that inside display is going to consume more power and cause that battery to drain just a bit faster than just a regular slab device. So hopefully this 5600 milliamp battery can at least get us through a day of usage with the Trifold here. And we are also getting faster charging speeds as well. We can now charge up to 45 watts of wired fast charging and 15 watts of wireless charging. So the charging speed is actually a bit faster as well. But again, who is excited for the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold? Who's going to try and get their hands on one this Friday? Let me know down in the comment sections below. If you are watching this past Friday, February the 20th, who got your hands on one? Who didn't? Who's bummed out because they didn't? Let me know down in the comment sections below. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.